Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Finn. And today, Jack, what are you doing? I'm gonna be making fluffy pancakes with my little brother. And so you'll need 1 1/3 cups of flour, an egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and a cup of buttermilk. So in a large bowl, you're gonna sift the dry ingredients, so the sugar, the salt, the baking powder, and the flour. Jack, you want to do that?
Sugar, salt.
Come on, start.
That's a lot of flour.
I got it all in the sifter, definitely. You want to sift it?
I sift it?
Yeah. So whenever you got your butter melted, you set the dry ingredients inside, and then you add the egg, the vanilla, and the buttermilk to a medium bowl. Jack, you want to get the egg?
Crack it and put it in there?
Yeah. And then you whisk it together until it's completely combined. Got that combined? Then you gradually stir in your melted butter. Jack, you want to pour this in slowly? Okay, once you got everything combined, you add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, mix until it's combined, and then just get a large pan on medium-high heat, put a little bit of butter on, and then whenever it's ready, we'll start cooking. Jack, you want to mix it?
Yeah. You can cut.
Okay, so whenever you got that done and your pan's heated up in butter, you take 1/3 cup to 1/2 cup measure and take that much of your batter, and then you just put it in the pan and cook it until it's gold, or one of the sides is golden brown. I mean, I think you can tell. If not, I'll put in a picture of a finished pancake. I don't know. It's not very spreadable batter. This is a finished. I mean, it could cook for a little bit longer, but don't cook it any less than this. This is perfect because the other side gets cooked too, and it doesn't have to look as pretty as it tastes. That doesn't make sense. It doesn't have to look good because I'll eat it.
This apron.
What about it?
It has your face on it. Your lips are red like that.
Next pancake, I'm gonna try to flip it like this.
Can I?
I don't know.
You can do it.
Oh no, that's not okay. That's not good. That did not work. I'm. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I did it again.
Ow.
We figured out our new strategy. If you cook both sides a little bit, it might flip better. Oh. So we cooked all the pancakes. We finished them all. They look pretty freaking good. They taste good. I may or may not have tasted them. Tip for next time, don't make them as thick as we did, or big as we did, because fluffy pancakes are meant to be small because they're thick and fluffy. I'm gonna go eat these. Bye.